Ever wondered how to propel your e-commerce business to new heights? The answer might be simpler than you think. Connecting your Shopify store to Google Merchant Center could be the game changer you've been looking for. Why, you ask? This connection allows your products to be showcased on Google Shopping, a platform frequented by millions of potential customers seeking items just like yours. A world of opportunity awaits, and we're here to guide you through the journey. To kickstart this process, you'll need a Shopify store and a Google account. If you're yet to set up your online store on Shopify, now is the time to do so. The first step is to access the Google Merchant Center. It's as easy as typing Google Merchant Center into Google Search and clicking on the first result. Sign in using your Google account and you're good to go. Next up, create your Google Merchant Center account. Click on Create Account, fill in your business information, select your country, and specify the time zone for shipping your products. Now it's time to verify and claim your website. Navigate to Business Information, select Website, input your website URL, and click Claim this website. Follow Google's verification process and claim your website. The fourth step involves configuring your tax and shipping settings. Under Settings, select Tax and set up your tax information, then move to Shipping and Returns to configure your shipping settings. With these in place, you're ready to add your products. Click on Products, then Feeds, and create a product feed using your Shopify store's product data. Select Scheduled Fetch to keep your product data fresh and up to date. Now, let's connect Google Merchant Center with Shopify. In your Shopify dashboard, navigate to the Sales Channels section, click Google Shopping, and follow the Setup wizard. You'll be asked to log in with your Google account and grant permissions. With everything connected, it's time to optimize your product listings. Review your product information in Google Merchant Center and ensure your titles, descriptions, and images are top-notch to attract potential customers. The final step is to monitor your campaign's performance. Google Merchant Center offers valuable insights into clicks, impressions, and sales. Use this data to refine your strategy